Let's discuss some of the different instruments you can use to release muscle tension through some self-massage type of techniques. So first off, we have just kind of the classic foam roller. A foam roller of any size is going to be basically the same idea. Using these, you're able to control some of the tension you put on by using your body weight over top of whatever you're rolling. If the tension there is too much and you want to be able to control that tension a little bit more or that pressure a little bit more, you can use a handheld instrument instead, where you would roll and you're now able to play with the weight a little bit more as opposed to just using your body weight and having that restriction. If you want more tension than the foam roller, there's balls like this available, and they're able to get in a little bit deeper because the diameter is a little bit smaller. If you want even more tension or you're rolling over smaller muscles where the diameter of the muscle is smaller and the foam roller is just a little bit large for that, you can start to use things like a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball. Tennis balls are going to have a little bit more give than a lacrosse ball. Lacrosse ball is going to be able to dig in a little bit deeper if you're trying to get into some of the deeper muscles, or you just don't have a lot of tension there to begin with and you really want to dig in deeper. Beyond that, there is some specialty balls made for rolling themselves that are going to be even harder than a lacrosse ball. They won't provide much give at all, so they're going to dig in really deep, as well as things like this that also have spikes on them, where if you want to maybe roll the bottoms of your feet and want to be able to dig in deep through there, this one would be useful for that.